Okay, write down 0.4, 15% and 7/20ths in ascending order. Okay, and ascending order means from smallest to the greatest. Okay, so you start with the smallest one. It's important here, it says you must show all your work-ins, right? If you don't do that, you're not going to get all the marks. Okay, it's possible for you to put the right answers here. Okay, you could have a guess, put the right answers, put them in the right order. Okay, it'd be a lucky guess. But if you did that, you'd only get 1 mark, all right? You need to show all your work in to get all the 3 marks. In order to determine what is the smallest, and then what is the one in the middle, and then what's the greatest, right? We need to get these into a common sort of type. Now, at the moment, we've got a decimal here, percentage, fraction, right? Now, you can change them all into decimals if you want, or you can change them all into fractions, or you can change them all into percentages, right? It's your choice. In this case, I'm thinking it perhaps be best to change them all into percentages, all right? So your 15%, we're already done, right? That's already a percentage, so we're happy with that. The 0.4, of course, needs to be changed, right? So to change a decimal to a percentage, you need to times by 100, okay? 0.4 times 100, and that will be 40%. All right, so we should recognize 0.4 as 40% anyway. 7/20ths, okay, to change that into a percentage, we could times by 100 again, but another way, right, is to scale up the fraction, so this out of 100, okay, because if you get the fraction out of 100, then you effectively you've got the percentage, haven't you? So what I mean by that is, we can change this bottom number here, so it's out of 100. You just got to ask yourself, what am I doing to 20 to get to 100? Making it bigger, I've got to multiply it, by scaling it up, multiplying by 5, that will give me 100. But if I multiply the bottom by 5, okay, to get to 100, I've got to times the top by 5. Okay, got to do the same to the top. And if you times the top by 5, 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 over 100 then is what 35% is. Okay, so you can see then, we've got 40% for 0.4, 15%, well, it's just 15%, isn't it? Okay, and then 7/20ths is 35%. So we can see what the smallest is. The smallest is the 15%. We'll write that down. Next smallest is 35%, so 7/20ths. And then the biggest one is 40%, so we put 0.4 down there.